Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed an Excel file in a Confluence page in a few simple steps. Type a / to bring up the insert menu, then type File to filter the options. The menu updates as you type, narrowing down to file-related actions. Click Image, Video, or File from the menu. An upload dialog opens with several ways to add your file. You'll see options to upload from your computer, attach from Google Drive, or add by URL. Click the Upload button to open your File Explorer, then browse to the Excel file you want to embed. Confluence accepts most common file formats including XLSX, DocX, and PDF. Select your file and click Open. In this example, I'm using q3budget.xlsx, and the file begins uploading to Confluence. You'll see a progress indicator while the file transfers. Once the upload completes, the file appears in your page as an embedded preview with a spreadsheet icon, file name, and file size displayed underneath. The preview lets visitors see the file details without leaving the page. Confluence saves your work automatically, and you'll see a saved status appear in the top bar once everything's stored. When you're ready to make the page live, click Publish ... at the top right to finalize and share it with your team. If your Excel file doesn't show a preview and you see a download link, check that it's a standard XLSX format. Older XLS files sometimes display as attachments only. You can replace an embedded file later by clicking on it and selecting Replace from the toolbar. To resize the preview, click the file once and drag the corner handles that appear around it. The published page will show your spreadsheet exactly as it appears in the editor, so anyone with access can view or download it directly. And that's how to embed an Excel file in Confluence. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.